Hello everybody, my name's Katie and I'm here to talk to you about Deep Blue Rub. This fantastic product is great to have. I have it on every floor of my house. I have it in my bag for work and my husband has it in his bag for work as well. With this product you don't need a lot. So I'm talking like a teeny tiny bit, like this, okay? So this is going to last you for a very long time. To start off with, when you're using Deep Blue and most oils, it's good to open up your pores, and how you do that is whether you take a hot shower to open up those pores, or you can use a hot cloth or a heating pad to warm things up. You put that on for a little bit, open up those pores, take that little bit of Deep Blue rub it between your hands, and apply it on your neck and your shoulders like that. Rub it all in and you're good to go. Safety tip, go wash your hands because you do not want to get that in your eyes or any of your private parts, because not a good idea. Have a great day everyone. Bye.